Today we got a little something different. I got a 24 Ford Transit. It's got 60,000 miles on it, but it needs brakes. And these are going to be the rear brakes. We'll see that it's going to give us the warning. It's also going to get a tire sensor. There it is. Alright. I don't need that right this second. So, I wanted to see if we can actually put the Transit into service mode while using the ArtiDiag 800 Bluetooth 2. So I'm going to try to find my port and open up this thingy thing, get the loads all off. I'm going to shut this door so y'all have to hear that. That better stop. I love that the screen works so well with a stylus. You can use a stylus on the Plus that I have, but it's hard. I don't like it. I feel like I'm gonna break my screen. But on this one, perfect. Since we are doing the rears, we have to actually put it into brake service mode. Usually I use the Ford tool, but let's see what this little thing can do. I'm going to go to our hot functions. These are the service tools. We want to go into service tools. We want to put it in service mode. Okay, so what we're going to do is find maintenance mode. Okay, enter part brake maintenance mode. Engine on, engine off. Correct. And then we're going to listen for the actuators. Okay. She's doing something. Hey, music to my ears.
Great success.
And this is a lot more time efficient versus having to grab the actual Ford tool to do it. And I want to say that this function is also in the TOPScan and CarPal, potentially. Definitely in TOPScan. Okay. So now that it's actually in service mode, we're going to leave it alone. And if we come over here, we should actually see that it tells us that it's in service mode. Here it is, brake maintenance mode. All right, so it's going to stay in brake maintenance mode until we're actually done with the whole procedure. I love this thing, and I hate the dingins. So we'll leave her alone. I'm going to pull out my DLC connector. Stick it back in my little convenient holder. There you got it. Very powerful little tool. Alright guys, back on the Transit. We already got the brakes changed out. We got to get her out of service mode. Not dealing with that. Let's do it this way. Sometimes these Transits can be a pain, especially when people fail to replace the brake pads before they actually eat into the rotors. And on these, in order to replace the rotors, you got to pull the axles out. It's a big, long, drawn-out process. It's not any fun. Yeah. And then we already replaced the tire sensor. I got to wake her up, but we'll worry about that in a minute. Now keep in mind, Ford is notoriously known to take forever to hook up to and get going. It could be my internet, could be being in the shop, could be just one of those days, but we're almost there. You can do it, little buddy. Alright, let me unsqueeze out of this door. Sounds like I got a delivery outside. I wonder what could it be? More tires. Come on, buddy. Up, 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 up. Fail. Not for good. We're finally here. Let's do hot functions. Okay, it's our parking brake reset. I want my service tools. We're going to exit park brake maintenance mode. Okay, ignition on, engine off. That is correct. Let's wait and see what happens. And again, we should have the actuators. And you see this already doing it installation, so I ain't got to worry about that. There we go. So now it's trying to find its position and relearn where it's at, and hopefully when it gets done making all the robot noises, we'll be happy. Okay, would you like to apply my power brake? No, not right now. And now we'll exit out of here, and we should be good to go. It's that simple. And like I said, the ArtiDiag 800 Bluetooth 2, pretty good. I enjoy it. Now, be aware, I have found that certain versions of the tool does not have active functions, but does have lifetime updates. Just do your research and make sure. But that's it, guys. See you in the next one.